Hi, let's get started with your crypto deposit using Bitcoin in FXGlory. Here's what you need to do. Go to our website and log in. Click on the Finance tab and choose Deposit. Select the trading account number. Select cryptocurrency as your payment method. Choose your crypto coin. A crypto coin is like digital money that you can use online, similar to how you use dollars or euros, but it exists only on computers. We're using Bitcoin for this tutorial. Bitcoin and Ethereum are instantly credited in our platform. This is a unique feature that we offer. Most brokers need the network information to credit your deposit, but we do it instantly as the transaction is sent on blockchain by your wallet. You can pick other crypto coins too, but it might take a few minutes to reach your account. Enter how much you want to deposit. To use the bonus, tick the box to apply it. Agree to the terms and hit Make a Payment, and then Submit. Confirm everything by clicking OK, got it on the pop-up. You can see the deposit details here. Now on to the second phase, sending the crypto coins using your wallet. Open your wallet or exchange. We are using Trust Wallet on an Android device here. There are other crypto wallets or exchanges you can use like Cash App, Coinbase, and Kraken. Select Send and choose Bitcoin. It's important to use the exact Bitcoin address from your client cabinet. Sending it to a wrong address can mean losing your money. To avoid mistakes, scan the QR code when entering the address and copy the exact amounts shown after the discount offered on crypto deposit was applied. Check all the details on the confirmation page and confirm the transaction. With Bitcoin or Ethereum, we'll add the money to your account instantly after the wallet processes your transaction. A few more tips. Always start from your client cabinet to get the right details for your deposit. Never reuse an old address from a previous deposit and double-check the address every time. Remember, network issues can slow things down sometimes. If your deposit is pending, just wait a bit. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.